Good morning, guys. So continuing on our descriptive statistics topic, we should discuss a few features that we can get from data. So sometimes we have data and we want to analyze how the data is spread and, well, so let's take a look at one example and I'll show you some things which are meaningful for us to be aware of. So I've got some grades here from 14 students in a history test. So they are up to 100, and there you go, you've got the numbers here, 58, 67, 66, and so forth. Right? Those are discrete, because you cannot have, apparently you don't have anything from 90 to 91, and so forth. So the question is asking us a few features. One of them is called mode, another one is median, and another one is mean. You have probably learned on your ICCs some properties of those things, and I will, instead of writing, I will just put the definitions here so you can also read them. But basically the mode is the most frequent occurrence. So if there's anything that's happening many times, more than anything else, that would be your mode. Okay, so for example here, if you look at those grades, well, it seems to me, look, 58, 58, 58. It's repeating 3 times. Is anything else repeating? 67? No. 66? No. I don't think anything else is repeating. So 58 would be our mode. Fair enough. Now the median is what's in the middle when we arrange our data set according to size. So if I rearrange those in order, so let's rearrange those. The smaller number is 35, followed by 47, then 49, 58. Oh, I've got 58 twice. Oh, 3 times. Then 66, 67, 69, 76, 79, 83, 88, and 91. I think that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. So we have organized from smallest to largest. So what would be in the middle, right? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. The middle would be here, right? 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. So the middle would be here. So what we have to do here is, since it's in between 2 numbers, we get an average. So the average of 66 and 67 would be 66.5. That would be our median. Now what about the mean? So median. Now the mean is the one that we're used to. You basically add all of them and you divide by the number of data that you have. So we would basically do 35 plus 47. We would all add all of those numbers, and then you can do that in your calculator. You can make a list in your calculator and you divide by the number of elements. So if you count, you've got 14 items there, and that would be 66. So that's our mean. Fair enough, right? So far so good. Now on letter B, we're told that there is a 15th student that took the test, and the mean becomes 66.2, so it raised a bit. Calculate the grade of this student. Now, if our new mean is 66.2, right? Just use red here. So if our new mean is 66.2, if I multiply 66.2 by the number of students, I will have the total number of marks, right? And that's 993. So I know that the total score now is 993. The total score before, if I multiply 66 by 14 here, it was 924. So if I make the difference, so the new total score minus the previous total score, we would simply have 69, and that's his grade. And you can see, well, his grade was higher than the mean, so that's why the new mean is higher. Right? So that's one example. Let's take a look at another one now.